Hello guys, I'm in Central Park in New York City. Well, today's the 10th of October and it's like 11 o'clock in the morning and the sun is shining bright and well, it's a wonderful day and like I said, it doesn't feel like it's October. It's like it's August. You can sunbathe out there and well, yesterday I spent the whole day from morning, like early morning, like 8 o'clock until, again, 8 o'clock, about 12 hours, well, traveling around Manhattan. Well, I visited pretty much any place that was interesting for me. I walked through the Central Park. Passed by the Statue of Liberty on a ferry. Yes, I visited the memorial, the friend's apartment. What else? Well, High Line, and of course Rockefeller Center, and all kinds of places, and all these skyscrapers, Times Square, definitely, Madison Square Garden, and everything. And what can I say? New York is a wonderful city. I just totally and completely enjoyed it. I did some cycling on the road, and there were bike lanes, and when they were nowhere to be found, I just rode I rode with the traffic. It was a lot of fun, and actually this was kind of against the rules, but I asked the policeman if I could do that, and they said sure, no problem, go ahead. Like I said, New York is a beautiful, wonderful city, and I have been to some, and I can compare. And well, first of all, it doesn't feel like there are a lot of people or cars here. Like only closer to the evening, I saw a kind of a traffic jam. It wasn't a big jam, but kind of a jam. And I didn't see crowds of people. I've been all over Manhattan, and lots of tourists, well, at least people that do not look like they're American. Maybe they're immigrants. But I mean, there are not too many people, there are not too many cars. Even in the center, in the downtown, there are cars, but you can travel, you can go from place to place, and it's wonderful. Of course, there are lots of non-native Americans, like Cubans, Puerto Ricans, Mexicans, Chinese, Japanese, all these guys. But it's a very, very relaxed kind of place, and I like the vibe, really enjoyed the atmosphere, and it made me feel like I want to live here, really. Maybe it's because I love big cities, but it's nowhere near like Istanbul or Moscow, and those cities can be crazy. But it's New York. Well, I did not see that. In Manhattan, I spent, like I said, the whole day. So beautiful. And if you check out the Central Park, it's just amazing. It's paradise inside of New York City. You can hang out here the whole day and just lying around and feeding squirrels and reading, working, whatever. It's just beautiful. So it made me feel like I want to stay here. Unfortunately, the problem is that I cannot earn enough money. If I stay here, I cannot earn enough money to go back to Ukraine to visit my family. I can do it in Ukraine, but not here. So no, of course I'm not gonna stay. Like this night, I'm taking a bus to Washington, a day there, flying to Houston, and so that is the plan. The people are friendly. The people are nice. Again, they smile. They say how you doing, and they say, or you have a nice hat, and everything. I didn't have any problems with my Confederate flag on the hat, so I don't think I will. But by the way, the food is nice. I mean, it's not bad. It's not bad. Obviously, I was not eating in any restaurants, just fast food mainly, and it's okay. It's absolutely edible. It's not like it's the best food in the world. No, ours is still better, but it's not terrible. You can eat it and you can feel good about it, after it. So yeah. By the way, I also found a couple of nice looking ladies, like typical Americans, but they were not ugly. They were nice. They did not smile, but I'm used to that. Yeah, it's not like they smile all the time, but like nice looking American ladies. they were nice to look at. So, but in general, they dress badly, really dress badly, and they don't care what they wear and what they look like. Yeah, and lots of fat people. I mean, in comparison with what I have in Ukraine and Kharkiv, of course, lots of fat people. But well, still, some people are nice to look at, and the place is wonderful, and it's like it is expensive, of course, if you compare the prices. In Ukraine, like $50 for one night stay in a hostel. Yeah. And if you want to eat like fast food, for example, 10 or 15 bucks, and you can have your meal. So it's not like it's very cheap, but still, like, New York is the place to visit. I strongly recommend. And the last thing I will say, well, today I'm gonna have a, easy, relaxing day, just hanging around here in Central Park. Maybe I'll go somewhere else, but I don't want to. At the same time, I don't want to stay here too long. Like this day, I don't have any goals for this day. Like yesterday, I saw all the things I wanted to see, and today, I don't want to rush around the city. It's not like I want to visit the museums and visit like everything there is to find here in this city. But I mean, I do have the feeling that I'm done here. I love it. I could live here, but at the same time, I'm done. I want to move on. So these are my feelings. Well, share with me your comments. I would like, well, I'll be happy to read those. Ask me any questions, and but if you ever have a chance, do visit New York City. It's beautiful. It's amazing. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. See you around.